up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss an upload from me, and also hit the notification bell beside it so you're updated anytime I post a video. For those of you who are not new and you've been here before and you subscribe, thank you so much for your love and support. I appreciate it so much. Let's keep growing together. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this frosty icy blue smoky eye situation that we got going on and happening right here, you guys. I was definitely inspired by the dress that I'm wearing. I actually went to a service. Today is sad occasion, but I was definitely inspired to do my makeup by this dress, and I thought, you know, since I'm doing makeup, I'm getting glam, why not film it for you guys? So that's what I decided to do. The look actually turned out really great. I was kind of rushing because I was trying to make it to the venue on time, so I was like, you know, gotta hurry up and kind of like just get everything done and get everything ready. But overall, I'm so impressed with the look. I put a little bit too much lash glue on this one and it didn't quite all the way dry, still kind of drying. So yeah, after an hour, I still have white residue from the lash glue. But overall, the look turned out so great. I'm so happy with it and I'm so impressed with it. And I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys do want to see how I got this look, then of course continue to watch. And don't forget at the end of the video, matter of fact, you can do it while you watch the video. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment down below. Let me know what types of videos you guys want to see next, and share and subscribe and tell everybody else to subscribe. Tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your uncle, auntie, niece, nephew. Tell them all to subscribe. Let's keep this family growing, you guys. And I'm gonna stop talking right now, and here's the look. you.